What's going on, guys? This is Decelation, and we got Brian.
What's going on, peeps?
And we're back on the Factory 535 hot rod truck. So, this is starting to get a little bit real. So we kind of started off right here. So we are going, if you see what Brian's working on, we're about to be getting the back panels mounted and see where they're going. It might be easier to string it up through the top so you don't have to put the whole length through there.
Yeah, I was just seeing a bit how well it's going to fit.
It's probably not going to fit very well. But yeah, so we're getting this all done. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. We're going to put you guys probably on time-lapse while we try to figure this stuff out, and or next update, we'll see, figure it out. Welcome back, guys. So we kind of got to a stopping point, ain't that right, Brian?
Yeah, there's always stopping points. They're very nicely put in the instruction manual where they stop telling you how to do things.
Yeah, pretty much. So the instruction manual, when it shows these side panels, it actually doesn't show the fiberglass piece. So it doesn't tell you where the fiberglass needs to align to. It just shows you like the metal insert. So I have to call or email tech support and figure out where this is aligned to, because if it aligns to right here, it looks like kind of hard to see, but it aligns to right here. It's sticking out just a little bit too much, and I may have to trim this piece down, and because it doesn't want to sit fully flush, and I know it attaches here, like right here there's a metal little tab thing, and then they have like a strap in the back, but it doesn't really tell you where it's aligned to, like how far forward, how much of a gap is here, anything. So let's take you to the instructions and I'll show you what we're talking about. So that's what the instructions say. Pretty much place this panel right here, that front panel, and then this is the side panels, but it's saying shown without fiberglass panels to the frame. And the angle it shows you, you have no idea where it attaches to. So I don't know where this is going whatsoever. So yeah, I'm gonna email them and get a response, and we'll probably get back on this video tomorrow hopefully if they respond back. If not, we'll find something else to do, because that's what happens.
That is what happens. Some modifications may be required.
Some modifications may be required. And that leads into the segue. I do actually have merch on my store still, so buy merch. It helps us. It really does. Every dollar that you, every bit of profit goes back into one of these vehicles for more content for you guys. I don't put it in my pocket and buy cheeseburgers with it. Although cheeseburgers sound good, don't they?
Cheeseburgers do sound good.
No, but for real, all the merch, it literally just goes back into these projects. So I really do appreciate you guys supporting. There's a few of you that have bought some t-shirts and a hoodie and stuff like that. So thank you. I really do appreciate it. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get some insight from Factory 5. So stay tuned for the next update. Welcome back, guys. So we got Brian here. Coming to the light. That looked creepy. Yeah, so we're back on getting these side panels on. And after looking at a few source videos of some other people that has the same setup, the same truck, and have already completed it, and kind of like what Brian was thinking, we figured that we're gonna align these just middle the right down there. Just have the axle in the middle of the wheel arch hump. It makes the most amount of sense to us. And that also put this part that we were having trouble trying to align in this part right here, we're trying to have a line against the body. It actually pushed it right here so it sat flat. So it makes a lot of sense to us. So we're gonna set you guys up and we're gonna start getting this and try to at least attach a couple of these panels, the side panels. Then it's really gonna look like a truck. Maybe I have to take it for a drive after we attach the panels.
Oh, it's a good time for that.
Yeah, I think it'd be a good time too. Hell yeah. Alright, so stay tuned and we're gonna throw you on a time lapse. I know it's been a while since you guys saw a time lapse, so stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So what you guys saw was us finagling, getting these two. My actual side panels are actually on. Now, it's crazy. One of the things that surprised Brian and I was, if you look, there's only one bolt, one small Allen bolt holding this whole side panel on right now, but that's pretty sturdy for one bolt in the middle of such a huge panel. So there's a couple brackets that we got to put on, and then it also screws on in the back as well. But we got this two sides. We're figuring this out. We may have to trim this down, or we'll figure it out.
We'll make it work. We'll modify it as necessary.
Yep.
Like every other piece.
Kind of like my shirt, the back of my shirt says right now. Some modifications may be required. So, oh yes, link in the description below. Buy more. You saw the cost video. This isn't cheap. Every dollar does go back into the builds. But yeah, Brian, and
no, I think we're good. It is pretty neat that there's one bolt holding those things up.
yeah. Any words of wisdom?
Words with oh yeah, if you happen to be dressed up as Dr. Frankenfurter, be careful which Walmart you run through in North Georgia.
Oh, there's such a long story behind that. That was beautiful. Perfect. I love it. Oh, that was beautiful. Yeah. So Brian's got to go to work, and I've got to edit some video for myself and for Masha. So, yay. Full-time video editor on top of full-time working, on top of full-time building cars. I got a lot of full-time jobs.
You do.
Yeah. But hopefully soon, we may have something cool coming to the channel as well. On top of the 4 cars we already have. Ain't that right, Brian?
It may be. The right thing has to happen.
The right thing has to happen. We're working on it. But we're trying to always have something new and fresh for you people. But yes, catch you guys on the next update, because tomorrow we're going to keep working on this and getting this nice and beautiful. Welcome back, guys. So, Brian, what are we about to do right now?
We're gonna try to smush some more of this body panels back onto here and test fit everything, see if we got it in the right alignment
and the right configuration.
Yeah, we can always find something.
Yep. So we're gonna loosen these up so we can get this back roll panel kind of slid in and figured out where it's happy, and then
probably get those bottom mounts for these fenders put on.
These ones as well. So they there's an anchor that goes from here to the bottom of this. So we're not going to probably get those out as well. Sound good?
Sounds like a plan.
All right. I'll catch you guys on the time lapse. We'll get back to work.
Hey guys, just want to give you a quick update of what's been going on while the camera's either been dead or not on. So as you can see there, I think we had the camera on for that there. We made a trim across that body line. It's got to get kind of tidied up a little bit. We'll sand that off of there and make it all square. What we also did was connect those support bars that'll help hold up the side panels. That's kind of what we've done. Gary's up making dinner because Masha's hungry again. And all that. And we'll see you guys on the next update. Take it easy.
Welcome back, guys. So let's kind of show you guys. Brian?
What's up? Yeah, we got a back half of a truck now.
Yeah, so we even got it lined up to where that bottom bulge down here lines up perfectly. And it keeps this panel pretty close, like pretty well aligned, which is kind of nice. What we did now, I can't say if this was factory 5 approved or not, because the instructions weren't very good about this part. So what we did, in order to get this metal piece to lie flush with this back right here, we had to slide the metal piece under this hoop for the body. Well, it doesn't slide in there perfectly, so we had to notch it right here, right around there, and on that side. We ended up notching it to slide it in to where it sits flush in the back, lines up everything with right here on the sides. So yeah, Brian, you pleased?
Yeah. A few more bolts here and there, and a sheet of plywood, and we'll be ready to go.
Yeah, and a few coats of paint, because we're gonna shoot some paint on this. Just here. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. So yeah, we're gonna cut the video off right here. Really do appreciate you guys watching the videos. If you like this type of content, hit that subscribe button. We're always gonna put more stuff out. It's just gonna keep going. If you guys watch it or not, I mean, Brian and I, this is our fun time. So, but we do appreciate you watching it. So hit that subscribe button. If you like it, hit the like button. comment down below. Tell me what we're messing up. Especially this area, because we kind of had to go off the reservation with this one. So,
Yeah. To say the instructions were a little bit thin, they were a little bit thin.
yeah. Yeah, we went a little off the reservation, but we think it's going to work. And at the end of the day, it's my truck. I'm happy either way. All right. So, have a good one, guys. Peace.